What's up, girlfriends? Welcome back to the channel. It's Elaina. If you're new here, welcome. Today I am back with another Ayurvedic video. I'll be making my first gloss. Alright, I'm super excited. I'll be using the main choice exotic Kool-Aid as well as the Henna Suk Sukesh Ayurveda. And I'm just going to be mixing them up today, making, like I said, my first gloss. Now I didn't realize that this would be as easy as it would be, but it's super easy. This is what the mixture looks like after it's all mixed up. But I lost the footage on when I was making it, so here's a clip of what it looked like just before I mixed it up. I just added 2 teaspoons of the Sukesh and about 3 of those spoons of the exotic Kool-Aid. And so this is a really good way to use up your favorite deep conditioner or just deep conditioners in general by adding your Ayurvedic powders to your conditioners. And then it just makes a gloss. So we're going to just jump in and start adding it to my hair. I've already sectioned off, as you can see. And I just want to show you guys how this applies. It was so amazing. I already enjoy this main choice deep conditioner. I will leave a link in the card so you can see my first impression on it when I actually used it. But using it alone was really good. And so when I added the powders to it, it just really enhanced the deep conditioner. So I showed you real quick what it looked like just before applying it. I took a nice amount of it. And it was super easy to detangle. Like I said, this deep conditioner is really good already. So detangling was a breeze, but it actually soaked right into my hair. Look at those curls just pop. Look at it. It's just amazing. My hair is really enjoying this Ayurvedic process, I guess I should say. But yeah, I'm just going to continue to apply this mixture, this gloss, into my hair. And I'm just going to have y'all watch and see how it does. And yeah. So some of you have definitely pointed out that my hair looks like it's growing, and I must agree. Look at how long that twist is. Hopefully I step back just a little bit, but yeah, it's definitely getting longer. So now I'm just gonna do the other 3 sections of my hair, and I will be back. So this is what my hair is looking like after all of the conditioner has been applied. And as you can see, there's really no remnants. It's pretty much all soaked into my strands. And we love to see that because that means it's actually doing something. So now I'm going to go ahead and take my plastic cap, and I am going to chill with a hot head or something like that for about 30 to 40 minutes to an hour maybe. And then we will come back and rinse out, and I will show you guys what it looks like when it's all rinsed out. So here's the moment of truth, you guys. I cannot believe how my hair turned out. Check this out. My hair is looking so soft. I know you can tell in the video. You can tell how soft it looks. The curls and the snapback It's just crazy. So I even see a little bit of shine as well. Like since I've been doing Ayurveda, I've been noticing my hair has been a little bit shinier than before. It used to be very, very dull. But now I find there's a little bit of shine there. So I'm loving to see that. But this is pretty much the end of the video, you guys. Let me know if you use any glosses in your hair routines, what powders you use, what deep conditioners you use, and yeah, what's your favorite deep conditioner even. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna leave it here. I hope you guys subscribe to the channel if you want to see more, if you're new around here, and don't forget to like the video on the way out. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all. Bye. What's it gonna take for you to love, take for you to love me? What's it gonna take for you to show, take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low.